Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today I've got this product. I've been using it about 2 months and it's time to do a review about this Philips Series 3000. 3-day bird made easy. We got 2 years worldwide warranty. Inside included I've got this warranty card. That means I can expand my warranty 1 year. Total is 3 years. Lift and trim system cuts 30% faster. This is the model BT3226. Double sharpened stainless steel blades. 60 minutes corded and cordless use. 20 left settings. Inside we have a NEMU battery, rechargeable. You can see some pictures here. Inside we've got the charger. It came with a charger. For fully charging it takes about 60 minutes to do. Other things included to the box is this carry-on bag. When you're traveling you can put it inside. It's very convenient. This brush, you can clean your internal of this Beardtrimmer. Well, let's see the device. Here we are. We got the LED indicator when it's charging, on-off switch. We can see from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. That is very convenient because it starts from 0.5. You can take that out. Here you can connect your charger. Nice design, it feels very nice to my hand. And just you can take that out and you can clean the internal. As I said, I'm using this about 2 to 3 months. I'm very happy. It has a washable blade, that means you can wash it. This unit is forbidden to go under the water, you can see here. Overall, it's a great Beardtrimmer. It cost about 30 euros. And if you need something like that, definitely buy it, it's worth the money. It can do a precise cut of your hair. I'm 100% thumbs up. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, like or dislike my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.